Hey guys, John Eric here once again with the Versace brick. This is a Canadian brick. I say Canadian because it holds Canadian cash. I don't have any hundreds in Canadian money. I just bought some fives just to make sure it fits. We got an inquiry on YouTube. Guy loved the bricks. This is the first time we're showing this one to anybody. Not this one, but also this style of brick. This is a 25K brick that is what we call a 25K with a lid. So normally our 25K bricks, the two parts are equally sized. There's a recess in here, so half the money goes in here, half the money goes in here. We just started doing this. I really love the idea. The lid is beautiful. It's 1 inch thick aluminum. It's very heavy. It's very nice. So this one holds Canadian currency. So this is Canadian $5 bills, which fit perfectly in here. I don't have but one stack, so I'll use a little bit of American currency as well, just to give you an idea. You should fit that also. Yeah, it fits fine. So we'll do 20,000 American, and then we'll drop some Canadian on top, just so you get the idea. In real life, actually, you know, that might even fit. This might hold 30 grand, who knows? To get it out, obviously we have a nice finger slot right here. You can just pull all the cash out all at once. You know, I'm gonna see if I can put the lid on and make that fit. Let's just find out together, shall we? You always line up where it says 25K and 25K. So actually I just realized this was on backwards. You overstack your brick where the lid's not sitting flat. Always make sure you tighten them down equally. If you tighten one all the way down, it's gonna have a big lump in it. It's not gonna go back down right. So it looks like this one will actually fit $30,000 US or Canadian. That's fantastic. It goes back together perfectly. This is a crosshatch pattern. The top is polished, so I'm gonna keep my fingers off of that. Even with the gloves, it leaves little steamy fingerprints on there. Of course, our logo on the bottom. It's got rubber feet, so it doesn't damage your countertop or wherever you're gonna keep it. This is a nice compact. This is a cool size. I really like this one. I like this one better than other ones. I really like the crosshatch on the inside here. It's beautiful. So this, you can stash an extra credit card or two in here, or your ID. I'm not sure if an ID from Canada will fit in there or not, but this came out really nice. I'm happy with this. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I love your feedback. If you hate it, tell me you hate it. If you think it's cool, tell me it's cool. I do get a lot of inquiries. People tell me, or they'll leave comments on YouTube and say, that thing's worthless. You know, if it had a rubber grommet around it, then it would be watertight. That's true, and that is an option. So if you're a hater, and you want to complain about no rubber grommet, yes, we do make this same exact brick where it's got a rubber O-ring all the way around here. You bolt it down tight and it will not leak a drop. It would stay way beyond your life. So you'd be dead before it had a leak in it. So keep in mind, when we get 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway. Every month, we'll give away a brick, a hide in plain sight ashtray, something like that. We make a lot of really cool stuff. Just click on a few of the other videos. We make beautiful, everything we make is gorgeous. So check out some of our other stuff. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will be showing you lots and lots more cool stuff. I'm kind of living the dream right now because I get to make really cool stuff. I run several other businesses, but this is my favorite by far. I get to make really cool stuff, make videos about it, and share what I do with the planet. I mean, I'm 52 years old now, so when I was a young man doing woodworking in my teens and early 20s, you know, there was really no way to get what you did across the planet, so this is really cool. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you watching. One more look at the Versace. Look, that's my chin. Peace out. Thanks for watching.